Kubleye pi baro kini kilongki khubor bam tagasngi. Umantri rangba ka jala konrat ke sangma ulapan pawi ki jing sngokya lor ka jing duna ka LPG ha Meghalaya en rei lo ong ba wala don ka jing duna rei ka jing long jing man kadang la ban pen bat penyat bha kham tam na ka benta ki long yeng ki ba pendon kam nya ka LPG. Habagran shigilat pathai khubor hadin ka jing yalang cabinet umantri rangba ulabatai ba ka jing yo LPG na ka benta ka jing pendon kam ha ki ying domestic kadang yat ben wala don ka tu ka ne ki jing thun Henry ula kubur ba ka LPG na kam ta ka jing yo kam commercial kala don hapdeng ka jing duna ka ba khamjur ka ba deiru shibenta na ka jing e ka bakta e ka rihi baro ka we ula pentepru ba ka government of India kala pen ki ka jing ai LPG sha ka jilla na du ba R4% sha ka nyu 4% na ka jing don baningkong Henry ro ong ba ka jing ta jong ne kam pat pau shai ha ka jaka Henry lakmi lenti bahagi sngi banwan ka jing yo LPG kan kham kiu bat kan kon wan ra jing ya ram Umantri rangba ulak dawru iki jing e hakalian ka logistics da ka ba ong ba komba khandai pho person ka LPG ka ba poisha ka ni kathan ka wan lingba ki we pat ki jilla ka ba wan ra jing yedem ba jing e no ha ka jing pin poi watla kumkini ki jing e ki don ula penslur ba ka government of India kadang trai shitam ki babun ki kardan ban penduna ki jing e ban pensuk ki paj ba shushu ula ong ba ki jing pen slam ha ka jing te infrastructure Kila bentalang ha gani ka jing e henry ki project ban pen klan ya ka jing yo LPG ki dang ya chakman ini ki project ki simpor henry ki khmi lenti bakin sadeption bar kan ya rap ban pen bet ya ka jing long jing man ha ka por ban wan ula ong
basically.
Can you tell us the status now as of Meghalaya is concerned?
As of Meghalaya is concerned, there is from the domestic use we are still managing. It's there is some shortage, but not that much. But when it comes to commercial LPG, there is a shortage throughout the nation. So government has increased the amount to 70% of the original amount, which was there for all the states. Earlier it was 20%. And then now they've increased to 70%, but the actual impact of that is yet to be felt. We do expect that in the coming days that the actual supply will go up, and we do expect some relief. But of course, these are a bit of a challenge because, as you're aware, almost 90% of the LPG requirement is there. It comes from this region and passes to the state of Hormuz, and therefore the challenges are there. But at the same time, as I said, the government of India is making arrangements at different levels to minimize the inconvenience that the people are facing.
What about our bottling?
What is this date?
No, it is something that was hanging for a long time, and it was this government that took the decision, provided the land, and the construction has started. Obviously, everything takes time. We cannot expect the construction to be over, but it's going very fast. So we expect it to be completed soon. It should have been done a long time back. But that's okay. But we took the decision, we provided the land, and we are now almost at the point where we should be able to complete it.
So following